presentation of food appreciation certificate to the companies that have partnered in the global mission of reducing hunger and preventing food wastage. At the outset, I would like to congratulate and sincere thanks to every company being organized today. Your commitment to donating surplus food, fresh food to demonstrate not only corporate responsibility, but also compassion and concern for society. Though your support, wholesome food that would have otherwise have gone to waste has reached to those who need it most. The poor, the needy and vulnerable members of our community. Food is one of life basic necessity. Yet many people continue to struggle for a single nutritious meal every day. At the same time, large quantity of perfectly good food are discharged. This paradox presents both a challenge and opportunity by contributing your surplus food to this initiative. You have helped bridge that gap and transform potential waste into hope and nourishment. I would like to especially acknowledge the effort of Street Providence NGO and its dedicated team of volunteers who work tirelessly to collect, transport and distribute this food safely and efficiently. Their commitment ensures that every donated meal reaches deserving beneficiaries with dignity and care. This initiative is not only about feeding people, it is also about protecting our environment. Food waste contributes significantly to the wet garbage and landfill burdens. By diverting surplus food for human consumption, we are reducing waste generation, lowering environmental impact and promoting a more sustainable, responsible society. I am pleased to note that this program continues to grow. Last year, the certificates were distributed in my chamber in the small gathering. This year, we are assembled here in this hall with many stakeholders and dignitaries, reflecting the increasing awareness and participation in the important cause. This growth is encouraging and demonstrating that together we can make a meaningful difference. I would also like to use this opportunity to appeal more companies, hotels, restaurants, canteen industries and institutions across Goa to join this movement. If every establishment with surplus food, fresh food, committing to sharing it through organized channel, we can significantly reduce hunger while simultaneously reducing food waste and garbage generation. Corporate success is not a measure only by profit and growth, but also by positive impact we create within society. The organization we honored today have set an excellent example of responsible citizenship. I am hopeful many others will follow their lead. To all the certificate received, please accept my heartfelt congratulations and appreciation. Your contribution is helping build more caring, sustainable and inclusive society. Every day donated represents kindness, responsibility and hope for a better future. Let us continue working together so that no animal food goes to waste and no person goes hungry. Also, I want to say that Mr. Donald and Bob Justin is not only food, but they are not making any propaganda, but they are also giving shelter. In my village, when one house was collapsed in the rainy season, they had constructed a house worth more than 5 lakhs in my village. And also, exactly I know, but last year or so, I think Bosco George and Providence has traveled to Punjab. When there was a flood in Punjab, they had worked then I think more than 50 to 1 month to construct houses in the Punjab state. So I pray God give them a good health, good help to both of them, and I hope we will be supporting to carry their work together. As well as especially I thank Mr. Bank. At this age, I met him 3 years back. When I visited his house, I was just looking at such an age he is doing this job. But I came to know that he is doing this job for 2 years. But I know him 3 years back and he is doing this type of job, work for his satisfaction. Thank you.
Meeting him today was a dream come true. You know, I heard so much good work that he was doing for street people. And it was, you know, when I heard about my good friends from the administration, Sanjeev Rodriguez and Anand Khanam, having tied up with the industry to support his food bank initiative, it was something of real awe. Because, like Madam said, there's nothing like, you know, the industry, the administration, the political system, and the people coming together for the betterment of civil society. You know, that brings in a big synergy. And in fact, like Kalpan said, during COVID times, I was the president of Government Industries Association during COVID time, and I saw how easy it was to work with the administration, with the political system, everywhere. You know, as long as your intentions are open, everything can work. You know, there should not be any selfish motive, and Donald is a man like that. Like Steve Providence has been feeding people now. I think many of you in the industry may know Blaze Mustafi. Blaze and myself and a couple of 6 friends used to meet regularly on weekends. So we decided to form our own NGO, and the Hope Foundation. And one of our first projects was feeding old, destitute people in Malta. So we were holding up care at home. You know, they didn't have youngsters to take care of them. And coincidentally, as Vasco Municipal Muslim Social Trust, your programs have Meals on Wheels. Our program was also known as Meals on Wheels. We ran it for about 3 or 4 years, but unfortunately, during COVID time, the people who are doing the meals and distributing it, the system collapsed. So that program of ours collapsed, but Donald, whatever assurance I can't see Donald, whatever assurance you need, whatever help you need from us in the industry, we are here for you. You are doing a fantastic job. Please carry it on. Honor meeting you, and also my good friend Bosco George is there, pillar. You know, so it's something very good to see you doing. Please carry it forward. Thank you very much.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.